Mailboxes are some of the most adaptable plants in the world. They come in all sizes, shapes, and colors, and can be found in all manner of habitat. You can find them in rows, by themselves, in front of homes, and even inside buildings. The secret to the mailbox's success is the unique way it spreads pollen. Most plants rely on the wind or passing by animals to spread their pollen. The mailbox uses a more reliable source, the Postal Service. No matter the weather conditions, the Postal Service is still active. Thus, the mailboxes have a steady source to transfer pollen to one another. When humans place their items in a mailbox, the item gets coated with pollen. The Postal Service then removes the items and carries it to a new destination. When it arrives at a new mailbox, the item loses some of its previous pollen, and then the cycle begins again.